Joe's out here this morning to help clean up a little bit more, and I'm just going through this pile right here of assorted goodies and just marking the ones that he can add to that brush pile. I do want to keep some of them, but not all of them. I'm getting a little pickier. I'm understanding a little bit better what I need and what I don't, so. Hard for me to spray them, but yeah. I'll make something good out of the other ones though.
Alright, here's a midstream look for today. It's Sunday. Got this whole top deck finally cleared. Finally. We have firewood pile there, and that's all Sharon's save wood for potential cuts, logs, projects, and so forth. It's a mix of cherry and cedar and hardwoods. Oh, finally got rid of all the slash for now. Still more work to do, but I'm going to start grading with the grapple. Alright, let's take a quick look here. We're making a trail, and it cuts to the right this way. So there, that's kind of the road there. You can kind of see it going in. I try to help fill out here, make a little room. See if I can grab this slash pile here. This is all garbage anyways. some back dragging now. Starting to take shape a little bit. Except for the low spots, the stump holes are kind of mushy, you can see that. Fabricate a polycarbonate sheet right here for that brush cutter. Alright, here's the after look for today. I finished back dragging with the grapple. It's still a little bit wet, but I got all these side yards all pushed back. You know, we'll probably have a lawn of some sort in here. You know, somewhere around here is where we're probably going to have a retaining wall. And then looking down into the woods here. Here's a look from a little higher up. I'm standing basically at the base of the future driveway. Alright, now I'm definitely tracked. Guess I could try to get around that way. But man, these roots, they just keep coming and coming out of the ground. But huge progress. Now the rain comes starting tomorrow again.